Hey guys, Technoman here with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to clear the RAM of your iPhone, whether you have an older device or a newer device, to speed up your phone back to its optimal performance and fix any sort of minor software issue that you're having, or just noticing your phone just super slow or sluggish. This will help clear that and bring your phone back to optimal performance. But before we go ahead and get started, if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech news, reviews, and giveaways, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys are in the market for one of these phenomenal devices at a discounted price, make sure you guys check out the link in the description section. So clearing the RAM is something that not a lot of people do, but it's really helpful. Even if you take it to the Apple Store, they'll do this as a first initial troubleshooting to speed up your phone, especially if you're feeling the phone is sluggish, apps aren't working, or you're just feeling the phone is sort of not the way it used to be. And this is why we're going to be doing it. So the first method, it's going to be on an older device. Older, by that we mean is that it has that physical home button. So this method will work for the physical home button, and it's different from the ones with the home button. And we're going to show you guys how that one works as well. So to do that, first thing you're going to do is, of course, be in the home screen here. And the thing you're going to want to do is try to power it off. And to power off the phone with the home button is generally that button on the right hand side, that side button, lock or power button. You're going to press and hold that. Press and hold that until you see slide to power off. Again, same thing. You're going to press and hold until you see slide to power off. Once you see that, you're going to notice there's a cancel and that you're not going to do anything. You're going to simply hold that home button for about 5 seconds till you get back to the home screen. So as you can see, you're holding down the home button until we get back to the home screen. Again, to demonstrate it one more time for you guys, press and hold the side button here, get to the screen here, and then press and hold the home button for 5 seconds. And as you can see, to validate that the RAM has been cleared is that if you double click on any existing apps that are open, you'll notice that it reloads. That's because everything from the memory has been cleared, which is the RAM. And that's the case for any apps we opened up in the past that were running before. It completely clears that out and reloads it, and your phone should be back to optimal. And that's how you do it with the home button. But what if you didn't have a home button, which is the case for pretty much all the new phones out there on the market? It's slightly different because you need to activate the home button. And to do that, first thing you're going to do is go into settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to look for assistive touch, which you can search up by going to settings, or you can simply go to accessibility touch. And once you're in that screen, you're going to want to go ahead and click on assistive touch and then toggle that on till it's green, and you'll see that assistive touch button come up, and now we're ready to roll. As you can see, that assistive touch, what it is basically an on-screen or a virtual home button, because we don't have the physical home button, and we'll need that in a second. And then the next thing you want to do is you're going to want to shut it down. And to shut it down, the way to shut down this phone is you're not going to use the buttons, because the buttons method will not work. You're going to go to settings. Once you're in your settings, you're going to go to general. And once you're in general, you're going to go all the way down where you see there's a shutdown option. You can actually shut down the phone this way. Not a lot of people know, but you're going to want to click on that shutdown. Once you click shutdown, it's going to be similarly slide to power off and then that cancel. You're not going to touch any of that. You're going to simply click on that virtual home button, or that assistive touch that we put on. And this time, same thing, you're going to hold that home button for about 5 seconds or so till we get back to the home screen. So as you can see here, this is a little bit faster. Again, to show you guys how that's done, we're going to, as you can see here, the way we know it worked is that it took us back to the main part of settings here. We're going to go to general and then down to shutdown. Click on shutdown. Click on the virtual home button that you have. Press and hold till you get to that screen and your RAM has been cleared. And to prove that, if you open up an app that was open before, it has that initial load up. And we see that across the board for all the applications on this device is that they're going to be reloading again for us. As you can see, App Store, it reloaded. That means the cache is cleared. Hopefully your phone is back to normal, optimal performance, and everything is good to go. this video is helpful, guys, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Also, if you guys have any issues, leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.